Congratulations, you got yourself a Big Daddy loom. The next question is, what do I do with it and how do I use it? Well, let me show you. So you have these two little gadgets right here on the side that will look like this. These are to help you adjust your piece. So when you're not using your loom, you want to keep it like this. It doesn't matter if it's up or down, you just want to kind of keep it in right there so that way these don't move. The next step is understanding your kickstand. See, your kickstand goes like this, but if you were to lean it back, you see how it will fall. That's where these come in. So if you want to go ahead and use your kickstand to, recline your piece, you want to take apart both of these ends. Now that both of these are down, you want to go ahead and get your kickstand ready. And now you want to put these on. And there you go. Now you're able to recline your piece. And that's what you're looking for. Now sometimes you can have about 3, but it's best to use it just at its 1. Now you want to go ahead, you can have it in this direction too. So you can flip it either way, but having it in this direction would be better only because your brackets are right up there. And with those brackets, what you can do is you undo those. So once you loosen these, then it's easy as lifting it like that. So you can adjust it this way, or you can have it halfway, or you can put it all the way back down. Now if you're ready to put it back, you stand it up and you pull these back out. You can easily start putting them back in like this. Another fun thing you can do is using it at an angle like this. Not extending it the full way. See something like that? I was able to create this piece on this because I was able to dangle these as I was going. So I was able to do the whole transition the whole way through. When you're done, your piece will look something like this. And again, that could be done on this. You might not need to extend it that long. You can shrink it about there, but you're able to do all sorts of things like that. But that doesn't just stop there. You're also able to make hat bands. You're able to make your belts. and you're even able to make your lanyards. The possibilities are endless when you're using Big Daddy. Make sure you guys are ordering yours today. To learn techniques like this and more, make sure you're registering for Beading University today.